What you see here is the compact cordless saber saw GSA 10.8 VLI Professional for versatile applications in metal, plastic or wood. Thanks to its compact design, the GSA 10.8 VLI Professional guarantees perfect handling at all times. This cordless saber saw also impresses with its small grip circumference and low weight of only 1.2 kilograms. The practical battery charge level indicator can be used at any time to find out how much energy is left in the battery. The Bosch SDS system enables fast, convenient saw blade changes. And thanks to the different accessories, the GSA 10.8 VLI Professional offers you a wide range of applications. Experience for yourself the cordless saber saw with the most compact design in its class, the GSA 10.8 VLI Professional. Now available in the practical, unique L box.